Hey there! Tired of fumbling around your Xiaomi phone just to hang up a call? No worries. In this simple tutorial, I'll walk you through customizing your Xiaomi device's power button so you can effortlessly end calls with just a press. Let's dive in. First things first, grab your Xiaomi phone and fire up the Settings app. After that, scroll down a bit until you spot additional settings. Next up, tap on Accessibility from this menu. Then, switch over to the physical settings by tapping on it. Here, you'll find the option for the power button to end calls. Just toggle that on. And voila! From now on, you can end phone calls simply by pressing the power button. Pretty neat, huh? That's all it takes to set up your power button to end phone calls on any Xiaomi phone, whether it's a Mi, Redmi, or POCO model. If this video helped you out, show some love by hitting that like button. Hungry for more Xiaomi phone tips and tricks? Just hit subscribe because there is plenty more where that came from. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now!